Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest and I'm back here yet with another exciting tutorial. And in this tutorial or video we shall be looking at a very simple requisition system where maybe in a formal setting or a business setting that has departments, maybe this supervisor, maybe we can have two people or two entities. A supervisor can be able to claim up something or request for something from a higher person, maybe let me say a manager, whereby that manager is also existing on this same system. They can be able to make a requisition to the top manager, and the requisition can be approved or rejected or just saved. So in this tutorial we shall be looking at how we can achieve that and how this works. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, I make very nice videos about web systems and very creative ideas. So if you're new to this, please consider subscribing and liking, and stick around till the end of this video until you look for what, or you get what you're looking for. If you're a student and you want this for study purposes, I'll leave the link and source codes in the description so that you can be able to use it at a free cost. But if you're a business person or you don't have these technical skills, can be able to inbox me and we have a serious talk about business. Or maybe you want some assistance, technical assistance, or even you want to develop something up for you like a project. I'll leave my WhatsApp or even my email so that we can get in touch properly and we get together. So without wasting any more minutes, let's go straight onto how this works and what this will look like. So I'll go straight to my localhost. For now I'm using localhost XAMPP server, and you can see that here I have it already, but you can even host this system and work straight online. So you can have multiple departments in your business that can make these requisitions, and the person that's approving them is one person. So I'll go straight here to go to requisition, and for now I'm going to log in as the supervisor, and then later I shall log in as the manager so that I be able to approve or even possibly reject some requisitions coming from the supervisors. So this is what we have right now, and let's continue. So for now the username is supervisor1 and the password is this. So if you're going to download the source code, please watch this video so that you get the passwords free of charge, and everything is included in between. You can see that I try to share this very link. Yeah, this link is on Google Drive and free of charge. So if done with this video, you shall be able to download each and everything for study purposes. But if you want something more serious, we shall be able to advance it to suit your business needs. So this is what it looks like, and the design is like this. This is 100% responsive and perfectly fine. So if I try to inspect this, I want to see what it looks like on a smaller or bigger device, maybe like a tablet or a phone. I guess on a tablet it must be looking something like this, right? So it means you can have people at the office premises and they are there physically, and you can have this on your phone where you can be able to review and see these requisitions and see what to do with them. So it doesn't have to be on 2-1. So looking on what it looks like on a small phone, ideally an Android phone or iPhone, this is what it looks like. Yes, it's very perfect responsive. Let me see, this is a bigger surface. So this is what we have right now. So let's go straight to the point without wasting any time. So you can see that here there is this part where you can make requisition or even view requisition history, and for now you have no requisitions made, and the requisition cache that we were received from the managers is 0. Yes, so I'll go straight to the requisition history to see that I have nothing at all that I requested for me as a supervisor. So I'll go straight to requisition to make a new one. Yeah, so no requisition made, accepted is 0, rejected is 0. So let me go and make another one straight right away, so as we see how this works. Yep, so this is what it looks like, and it's very nice and a very simplified design, because it can even get to be advanced anytime, to generate reports, to even generate Excel sheets. Yes, so it's a good way to go. So if you need this on a professional way, kindly inbox me. I'll leave the WhatsApp straight right there. So now this is telling us this is where you can make a requisition to the manager. Fill this form below with what you want to request for. So it shows, by default it shows the date today, which is, I'm recording this video right now, so it's 2024 5th. So this is the ID, which is auto generated. You can see that if I try to refresh this page, this requisition code is not fixed and it is just regenerated. You can see that. So I'll make a requisition to the manager. I don't know who you can make a requisition to, but this is just a sample of what can happen. So from the supervisor, maybe say the supervisor is called Nestwave. So I'll say, dear manager, I want to request for the following items. Maybe let me say I want to buy data, number of items 200 GB, and the cash will be 200,000. There are no units for this, but you can get to put any units. Let me say they want electricity package. They want package at the workplace. Let me say 2,000 units, and that will be 400,000. Yes, they want cleaning material 20. The amount of that will be 1 million. They want to get what else? Anyway, that's what can be requested, but this can give you options of 40 items. So their business settings where they actually make requisition on a weekly basis, so that when next week is coming, they actually make a requisition within this week. So the auditors can be able to get what's necessary for the next week. So you can see, as the more things I'm filling here, the more the total is coming up, which is 1.6. So I get to add one more thing, and I'll say that it be ABCDE. Let me say 90 liters, and that will be 10,000. Let me say what else? Okay, let me just stop right there. Let me just stop that. So here it says once you submit, you won't be able to delete or edit the requisition, so which is fine. So I try to submit this, and it will say the requisition has been successfully submitted for review. So the managers will be able to review this, and they will tell us if they are going to make changes or even reject it. Who knows? So you can see that this is the requisition to manager. Amount is this, status is pending. If I click on it, I will see the requisition detail. Yes. So by the way, to make this, I used of course HTML and some stylings, Bootstrap, JavaScript, of course importantly for the database, because everything here is stored straight in the database, so that it can be used by another person, right? Whereby I use my SQL database, PHP myadmin. So proceeding with this, you can see that this is requested code, date to status is pending. So now, right about now, let me go straight on the admin side to see that I can approve or see what they want, because still it depends on the manager, because sometimes they don't give you back those things unless they are fully done or used up, or there is a big need. So on logging in as the manager, you can see there's a total requests made of 1. So that means the more the requisitions are more, they will be here showing 2, 3, 4, how many, then the total amount. So I'll go straight to the requisition. It shows that I have 1 pending. So on pending, I'll just click on it to check what's pending. What do they want? So I'll click on it here, and I'll be able to see what this person wanted to get. Right? That's right. So this person wanted a data package, electricity, cleaning material, blah blah blah, this amount of money. So you can see even here I can get the sum. So if I'm like, this is too much, I can't give you this, so I just need to change this. So I'll just give them that money, so it won't be the other 1.6, right? So that's what I'm going to give them as the manager. And I can save this as a draft. Yeah, I can save this as a draft, but it still shows that it's pending. So when I try to upvote it, this requisition will become upvoted. Its status in the database changes to be upvoted, and here it says requisition has been updated for confirmation. If in case there are more bigger managers than this one, they can be able to accept and review, then also confirm this. So you can see the status is approved. Going back to the supervisor side, maybe I'll try to refresh a little to see that this status is now approved. So can be able to claim this money, right? So this money can be able to claim it. Or maybe let me just reject it for now. Let me say the requisition has been rejected. So are you sure you want to reject this requisition? Yes. Me as the manager have rejected because the requested amount was 1.5. So now I've rejected. So here what was upvoted simply becomes rejected out of nowhere because the person rejected it. So I'll go straight to my requisition history as a supervisor because what I wanted wasn't given to me. So requisition made is 1. So you can see that this is already rejected. So this is exactly what it looks like and how it works. So stick around to get more videos like this and more updates from me. And if you like what I do, you can consider subscribing or buying me a coffee. Perhaps that's a good way to go. So I'll be grateful if you like and share this video too. And if you like what I'm doing, well, that's great, my pleasure. And I'll be leaving the source codes in the description for you, for practice and for students. Yes, so this is what we have. Thank you for your time.